The rise and fall of Silk Road, the dark web's most notorious black market. Deep in the hidden corners of the internet, a digital empire was born, one that promised complete anonymity, free trade, and lawlessness. It was called the Silk Road, the dark web's most notorious black market. But who created it? And how did it all come crashing down? Let's unravel one of the internet's most infamous stories. The birth of Silk Road. In 2011, a man named Ross Ulbricht had a vision. A marketplace free from government control, powered by Bitcoin and anonymity. His alias? Dread Pirate Roberts, a name taken from The Princess Bride. Drugs, fake IDs, hacking tools, and even weapons were sold freely. Transactions were encrypted and payments were made in Bitcoin, perfect for staying hidden. The Tor network shielded both buyers and sellers from prying eyes. It was the Amazon of the dark web, but it couldn't stay secret forever. The rise of an online underworld. Silk Road quickly exploded, attracting thousands of users. It wasn't just a marketplace, it was a community. Some saw it as a revolution against government control. Others, a breeding ground for crime. Over 1.2 billion in sales. More than 100,000 users. A secret empire growing until the authorities took notice. The manhunt begins. As Silk Road flourished, law enforcement got to work. The FBI, DEA, and Homeland Security joined forces. But how do you catch a ghost on the internet? They followed Bitcoin transactions. They tracked forum activity. And then they made a crucial discovery, Ulbricht's careless mistake. Ross had once used his real email address on an early Silk Road forum post. That was all they needed. The FBI's trap. In October 2013, the FBI made their move. They caught Ulbricht red-handed in a San Francisco library. The plan? Agents waited until he logged into Silk Road as admin. The execution? One agent faked an argument nearby. When Ulbricht looked away, another grabbed his laptop before he could encrypt it. With all the evidence open on his screen, the empire collapsed in an instant. The aftermath. Ross Ulbricht was sentenced to life in prison, no parole. Silk Road's fall didn't stop dark web markets. New ones emerged. But it proved one thing. No one is truly anonymous online. Even the dark web has shadows where law enforcement lurks. And mistakes, even small ones, can cost everything. What do you think? Was Ulbricht a criminal mastermind or a digital freedom fighter? Let us know in the comments.